expected. Where? A portion of central New Jersey, including the following county: Monmouth. When? Until 11 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 6:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated that between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen the last several hours across portions of northern Monmouth County. Per the Department of Transportation, road flooding continues. As a result, a flood warning has been issued. Some locations that may experience flooding include Sandy Hook, Middletown, Keansburg, Matawan, Highlands, Navesink, Keyport, North Middletown and Strathmore. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is the forecast.